Hello everyone, today we will talk about two big changes coming to Singapore buses. The new Service 18M and the takeover of many bus routes by Go Ahead Singapore. Service 18M is a new feeder-type bus service planned to improve connections in the Tampines and Changi area. It is designed to help passengers travel between neighborhoods, business parks, and MRT stations more easily. This means shorter waiting times, better connections, and less crowding on main services like Service 18. Service 18M is expected to serve Tampines and Changi business park areas, improve last-mile transport, support new developments and offices, help reduce congestion on existing bus services. This kind of M service usually means short trip or modified routing, helping passengers reach MRT stations or interchanges faster. Now let's talk about the big change. The Land Transport Authority awarded the Tampines Bus Package to Go Ahead Singapore. From July 2026, Go Ahead Singapore will take over 27 bus routes that were previously operated by SBS Transit. This is a major expansion for Go Ahead Singapore. They will operate from the new East Coast Integrated Depot and manage several interchanges like Tampines and Changi Business Park terminals. This contract is worth about $646 million over 5 years. Bus stop why this takeover matters. This takeover is important because heavy checkmark Go Ahead Singapore will almost double its presence in Singapore. Heavy checkmark around 400 buses will be used, including many electric buses. Heavy checkmark new technology like AI tools will help improve bus timing. Heavy checkmark staff from SBS Transit will be offered jobs so nobody loses work. This means more modern buses, greener transport, and better reliability. High voltage electric buses and future plans. Go Ahead Singapore plans to use more than 250 electric buses in the Tampines package. This supports Singapore's goal of moving to cleaner energy buses in the future. They will also work with training centers to improve skills in electric bus maintenance. What to expect for passengers? For passengers, you may notice new buses and new liveries, different bus captains and uniforms, possible new feeder services like 18M, improved reliability and cleaner buses. But routes and fares will stay the same because the system is controlled by the Land Transport Authority. Checkered flag conclusion. So in summary, Service 18M will improve connections in Tampines and Changi. And Go Ahead Singapore will take over many routes from SBS Transit starting in 2026. This is part of Singapore's plan to modernize buses, add electric vehicles, and improve public transport. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Singapore bus updates.